Think your garden struggles can't go viral? Think again. In this video, we're dropping hilarious and helpful social media content ideas for gardeners, plus tips on crafting captions faster than weeds take over your flower bed. Get ready to make your posts the talk of the garden, whether you're battling pests, drought, or that one stubborn tomato plant. Let's dig in and grow some views. Here are the gardening social media content ideas. Plant care tips. Quick watering tips for your indoor and outdoor plants. How to spot common plant diseases and pests. Understanding sunlight needs. Full sun, partial shade, and shade plants. Best fertilizers for vegetable gardens versus flower gardens. How to prune plants to encourage growth. Signs your plants need more, less water. Gardening DIY projects. How to build a vertical garden using simple materials. Create your own miniature herb garden indoors. DIY garden markers from recycled materials. Vegetable garden ideas for small spaces. How to make a compost bin for your backyard. Easy raised bed ideas for small spaces. Turn an old pallet into a garden planter. Gardening hacks. Top hacks to keep pests away from your garden naturally. Repurpose household items as planters and garden tools. How to water your plants while on vacation. Speed up seed germination with these tips. Use eggshells, coffee grounds, and banana peels in your garden. Seasonal gardening tips. What to plant in fall-winter for a continuous harvest. Winterizing your garden for colder months. Spring planting tips to start the season right. Best summer gardening tips for heat-loving plants. Harvesting tips. When and how to pick your crops. Gardening for beginners. Start your first vegetable garden with these easy steps. Top beginner-friendly plants you can grow indoors. Common gardening mistakes to avoid. How to choose the right soil for your plants. Gardening glossary. Key terms. Every gardener should know. Indoor gardening ideas. Best indoor plants for low-light spaces. How to create a cozy indoor garden in small apartments. The benefits of indoor plants for air quality. Growing herbs. Indoors. Tips and tricks. How to propagate indoor plants to grow your collection. How to start with indoor container gardening. Eco-friendly gardening. How to start a zero-waste garden. Eco-friendly pest control. Natural ways to keep bugs away. Composting 101. Recycling kitchen scraps in the garden. Using rainwater for your garden. Set up a collection system. How to create a pollinator-friendly garden. Garden aesthetics and inspiration. Creative container gardening ideas to beautify any space. Add color to your garden with these unique flowers. Inspirational garden layouts for small spaces. How to use mulch to create beautiful garden beds. Vertical garden ideas for a stunning wall garden. Gardening tools and equipment. Essential gardening tools for every gardener. Budget-friendly gardening tools you need to try. How to care for and maintain your gardening tools. New gadgets in gardening. Technology that helps your garden thrive. DIY garden tool. Storage solutions. Gardening challenges and solutions. Dealing with poor soil. How to amend and improve it. Gardening in small spaces. Tips for apartment dwellers. Managing pests and weeds without chemicals. How to deal with extreme weather in the garden. Gardening on a budget. Cost-saving tips and tricks. Community engagement. Share your gardening success stories. What are you growing? Tag us in your garden photos for a chance to be featured. Weekly gardening challenges. Share your progress. Favorite local nurseries and farmers markets to support. Poll. What's your favorite vegetable or flower to grow? Gardening myths and facts. Myth or fact? Talking to your plants helps them grow. 5. Common gardening myths you should stop believing. The truth about Epsom salt in the garden. Do coffee grounds really keep bugs away? Let's find out. Myth: you can't grow vegetables in containers. Here's why you can. Check out the gardening social media content ideas in the description. Now let's see how our AI social media caption generator and other AI tools can help your gardening content stand out on social.
Let us see how AI can help you create effective social media posts. Spark creativity with the various social media post generators. We're going to look at social media captions, images, video scripts, repurposing, and blog to social generator. Let's start with the social media caption generator. Head over to Storylab AI and select a social caption generator. Select a social platform, describe your post, and choose a style. Not bad, right? AI can spark creativity within seconds. Run the AI tool a couple of times and create a list of potential social media posts. Now let's create some cool images for the social media posts. Describe what the image should look like. Select a style and let AI work its magic. You can leave the style empty and add your unique style in the image prompt. If you want to engage your audience with a video post, use the social media video script generator. Enter a couple of details about the video and let AI come up with an engaging video script, perfect for a video post. All you have to do is record the video and post it with the caption you created earlier. Now let's see how the social media repurposing generator works. Simply copy, paste the copy of an existing social media post. Describe how you want to spice up your post and get 3 new variations within seconds. Now, let's see how you can create up to 25 social media captions based on an existing blog post. Copy and paste the text from your blog post. Select a social media channel and writing style. The blog to social generator will come up with 25 social media captions based on 5 topics. Pretty cool, right? Set up your Storylab AI account and get started with the social media post generators. Don't simply copy/paste ideas and press the publish button. Use AI to spark creativity, but always add your unique style and engage your audience. Subscribe to stay up to date with the latest content creation tips.